What? He's killing light pillboxes, it looks like. All right. Oh! Fuck you! Yo guys, what is up? Fly here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have had an okay week. Before we go any further, I just want to let you guys know that there will be no streams this weekend. I'm still working. Well, I'm not working hard. My graphic guy, or Dudio, who's a longtime Patreon of my stream, is rebranding my whole channel, Twitch and YouTube, for free. And I don't know why. I've offered to pay him multiple times, but he's doing it out of I don't know why. So the last 3 or 4 days, me and him have been working. Him 99.999 or 99.99999%. Me, you know, the other percent left to 100 on these graphics. And we wanted to get them out this weekend, but it's not going to be ready yet. So let you know, I want to start streaming with the big shebang. You know, a stream update and a channel update video when all the graphics are done. So look forward to maybe next Friday should be the big release. If you want to look at some of the concepts of the graphics, check out the Twitch page and feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. But in today's video, we are checking out the F-84 G21RE, which is the Italian version of the F-84, just an F-84 that's given to the Italians. They might look the same, but they are very, very different. This F-84, God, it's gonna make me get Italian, don't you? F-84. This F-84 is about 40 or 50 kilometers faster than the American F-84, and it has a much better loadout for ground pounding. 24 HVAR rockets and 2 Tiny Tims. And as seen above, where rank 5 is, or to the right of it, battle rating 7.3. For good reason. It's a much better plane and has better capabilities than the American F-84. Oh yeah, also today we are checking out a new sound pack for planes. So what this means is that there's new sound files for everything, but I think it's more tailored for jet combat. It's by the same guy who did them for tanks. I believe his name is Boris. Shout out, man. This is still beta or in work in progress. There are some bugs, but I always love sound packs for War Thunder, especially in tank combat because it's fucking almost cheating. Yeah, sound packs. I love sound packs, man. They just seem to like bring a breath of fresh air back into War Thunder when you've been playing the same fucking game modes for the last 4 fucking years. You know, sound packs are always a welcome breath of fresh air. Kind of relights or rekindles the sounds of the battlefield that make it more enjoyable. But without further ado, guys, let's go see how ridiculous this is. Oh. Oh, it's so cool. Holy shit. What is that fast mover? Okay, we're turning off the smoke. Now, hopefully the jet volume isn't too loud. I think hang on, let's see. Maybe turn down a little bit more. Or does it even fucking matter? Beautiful, right there, hold it. A B-57, gotcha. Okay, so we're in line. You know, I actually liked it a little bit louder. Right here. Hey, look at this, guys. We got 2 F-84 down low. Let's see what this F-84 in front of me, or my squad mate, wants to do here. We are faster than them. We can catch them easily. Looks like he's going in on one. We got one running away, one still pressing. God damn, F-84 versus F-84. Okay, I'm gonna back this guy up. Oh, it sounds awesome. I'll shut the fuck up. Some good hits on him pulling off. Nice disengage. Clear. I feel like this BR 7.0 and 7.3 are getting pretty darn fun. Nice and populated by all these new planes coming in, or at least just the new BRs. Holy fucking cesspool, this is great. This is like arcade. Okay, let's try to pick our target carefully. Look at all these 50 cals flying around. Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't want to do that. Not doing that, Tango, right there. Need to pick our target nice and carefully. Going after this guy. Extreme overload. Holy shit. Hello, Mr. P-80. Air brakes. Air brakes off. Got him on fire. Pulling off 2 fires. We got a vampire over here we can go after as well. We got the airspeed. Holy Arado, watch out! Oh gosh, okay. Let's pull off this. The Arado wants to go in hard. We got 2 trailers. Going hard, get it? I love these sound effects though. This P-80 has the energy on us though. We gotta dive. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, F-84. Go away, go away, go away right now. Hard turn. Balance out. No, I don't want to play right now. I just want to get back into the action. No, 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 come on. God, do you ever stop shooting? I just want to get into the action again, P-80. Go away. God, we're so fucking quick. Look at how fast we are. Okay, come on. More airspeed. Good, good. I think that guy wasted about 1,000 rounds. He's just gonna do that to me and then fucking pull off. Who is this guy? Baby kill. Oh my God. All right, now we really got to kill him now. Okay. Vampires first priority. No, watch out. Watch out, buddy. Okay, holy fuck, a G91's in this BR. This vampire's going like 40 miles an hour. Good. Onto the P-80. Good hits. Got a nice leak. Looks like a fuel leak. Now this guy cannot outrun us at all. No way, Jose. Enemy F-84 to our rear. Critical. Where's that other F-84 at? Oh, up high, up high. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. Up we go, up we go. I really fucking love this thing, actually. The 50 cal buff, running stealth with nose cannons. Hell flippin' yes. And the sound mod's beautiful. I think it's working out good. I mean, for me, or at least what I was told, is that it's gonna have some bugs to it, but it's working great so far. Okay, we got one more guy left. It's probably a bomber. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and call out an order. We'll use a blind hunt. What the wait, what? What the fuck? Yo, where did the game just ate my blind hunt? Someone had to like land and do its business of refueling or something, and is now back up. Wait, is it active? No, it's not active at all. What the fuck is happening? Welcome to Berlin. So I'm going to be demonstrating a very cheeky strategy. Now, I don't know how effective it's going to be because the Axis don't really have that good of bombers. But if you're in a squad of 4 of these guys, or even 3, you could take out all the bombing points in one go. And can I just state at how sexy the F-84 is without those stupid clown pylons on the end of the wings? It just looks so better. Like, honestly, I'm thinking about just using the ground strike either going for a bombing point or just dumping all the rockets when I spawn just to get rid of those pylons. I don't like those things one bit. That's a kicker for me in the F-84. I don't take it seriously because of those fucking pylons. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Personally, as you can tell, I like it without them. We're gonna go to the base, dump the rockets and re-accelerate and hopefully get into some good cesspools, because we'll be coming in full energy and a lot of the planes will be already tied up with a lot of our German 262s and Horten 229s. G91 in here. Kind of, God, that's nice MM, dude. Getting down tiered like that? Fucking lucky ducks. Oh, why do you have to do this? Hey guys, it was nice playing with you. I'm fucking dead. And we're going up. Whee! Okay, good dodge right there. That was quality. But we're going to have to get rid of these rockets quick. Oh shit. No, get those 20s out of here. I can hear them. Bye-bye. Acceleration. Oh, he's not even on me anymore. Oh, fuck. Come on, F-84. Just breathe the air and push out your bum hole. Yes! Yes! Okay, we're good. We just pulled so many planes down low, too. We're going to go for a climb here. Pull left so we don't get... He just ripped? Yeah, nice kill. Nice kill, Fly Daily. We're going to pull away from this air base because I know one's going to nick me soon. And just like that, an enemy base is already gone. If the Axis actually had good bombers, games would end very quickly. So let's hope that stays the same. It doesn't change. Hey, when's the HE-11? Is it 177 or 117? The one with 4 engines and 2 propellers? I can't wait for that one to come and play. I think Germany's long overdue for big bombers. Okay, but let's get our brain back to it. We're gonna go for a nice shallow climb. These guys, I think, have some good energy, actually. But they're not looking at me, which is good. We're gonna go for a right-handed turn, sharp. Oh, I love this plane. This plane is so fun to play, guys. Okay, who should be our target? Vampire's high priority, Meteor's high priority. P-80 we can deal with later. Ooh, rockets on the G91. Nope, too sharp of an angle. Head on by the Meteor incoming. Fuck. I don't know, dude. Everybody in jet gameplay like to go head on. And I understand that's a valid tactic. But, like, how is it fun to, like, climb or, you know, queue for a minute, take off 30 seconds, and then fly out for, like, 3, and then just go one-on-one, heads up, and you guys both die? I don't find the fun in that. I find the fun in maneuvering around my opponents and getting that perfect shot on. F2H is actually really high priority. Good hits, teammate right there. Pulling back around. Just keeping the energy alive while we lose it all in altitude. Okay, Meteor down low, F2H down low. This F-80 right here is moving very, very quickly. Might be able to line up perfectly on him. Going after the Meteor. Locked up right there. Got a lot of hits on his back end. No damage or anything from that. Ooh, P-80 right here. Let's neutralize the energy. Let's go for a dive. Oh, God. Good. Go for the reclimb. A lot of their jets are just low and slow, which is perfect for us. It's all about discipline. All about discipline. And not getting jumped by a P-80 like that. We got 1,300 or 1,400 rounds left and 15 minutes of fuel. What is this Vampire doing? Oh, God. I do not like that. Where did our G91 go? Oh, shit, the P-80 got him? What the fuck? Okay, we're going for a climb. We're going to get away from this air base. Yeah, that is their home base. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck off. Fuel leak. Hopefully it will seal it. I'm gonna try to pull these guys away from their base. I don't want my team to fight that close to their base at all. Oh, almost. I was hoping that P-80 would want to stall climb with me. Try to go for that masturbate. Okay, F2H. We're gonna hop on this P-80's tail right now. Nice. F2H, don't do F2H. Yes, F2H, keep doing that. So now we got okay, we got a vampire outside of their airfield. Surprised this fuel leak hasn't sealed yet. Maybe it's my pilot just shitting himself right now and that's what's coming out of the aircraft, because I don't know what fuel tank is damaged. Huh. A quick burst on him. Nope, 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 nope. Meteor just rolled out. And a B-57 as well. We're gonna go deck level here. Maybe we can pounce this P-80. I think we can. He's super tunneled right now, I bet. No, he's not. Quality. Going back to his base. 415 rounds left. Did I save our F-84? Good. Okay, that was my main intention. If we could have gotten the kill, more the merry, but that P-80 pulled some nice moves right there. Threw off my aim. Let's see if we can't catch him before he goes full turn. Good hits. Come on, maybe turn. Don't want to lock here. We do not want to lock at all. 288 rounds left. Whoa. Wow, what is that maneuver? Don't gank me. Don't do it. The master bait has been achieved. Come on, 262. Oh, no. No, you had one job. All right, we're back to it. 173 rounds left. And 55 rounds left. P-80 coming in. We're going to extend. Turn inside him. Good. Turn back inside of him. Good. I had to counteract his energy because he had a fuck ton. God, if only that 262 would have gotten that kill on the Meteor, we could have 2v1 that P-80. There we go, there you go. Nice, nice. Okay, good. Just took him a little bit longer, but he still got the kill. That's all that matters. Now, the F-84 does not like to slow down, so we're going to pop air brakes far out. Don't go heads on. Don't go heads on. You don't have to. You can outmaneuver him. Flaps down at 520, I would say. Oh, shit. God, we are so fast. Jesus. Air brake out. Flaps retract. All wheels on the ground. Good. And and we're going to be equipped with our ground. Okay, and we're back up. Now, I'm gonna keep 2 Tiny Tims. Good. Now, I don't think that affects my performance at all, but we shall see. If we go above 750, then it does. But the whole plan right here is just to beeline it to his airfield and get a Tiny Tim kill with it. Yeah, I think it definitely does. Look at that. Look at that airspeed. One kilometer? No problem. Nope. Okay, up high to the left. Gotcha. Air brakes. Okay, no air brakes. Good shit, 262. That's what I'm talking about. That Peony's got some nice low airspeed performance, though. Yeah, it looks like he broke his tail off. Fuck yeah. Good shit. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video with the F-84 Italian version and the new sound effects. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Oh yeah, look forward to this weekend. Word on the streets is that something cool is gonna happen. Something cool is gonna happen. Like really cool. But guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.